Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Panasonic RT-BTD5 wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to your device or if they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set them up again, and that's the second reason that you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to delete and wipe all of the pairing history off of them and get them back to the way they were when they came out of the box so you can set them up new on a new device, we can go ahead and do this quite simply. We first want to turn these headphones off, and then with the headphones off, we're just going to find the power button and the back button or the previous song button and press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds. And you should see the LED indicator light on this left earphone turn red for about 2 seconds and then turn off, at which point you can go ahead and let go and the earphones will reset to their factory default settings.